B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me, I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, designer me a rocket. Money no up in a pocket, car top we a drop it.
Hello?
Yo, you know, come check me.
How are you do? You try putting your little penis in your pants, yeah?
You mean, I say, I come check, man. Hey, girl, not playing me, no.
I can't come, cause my man there.
Hey girl, how you talk to?
I'm man, I'm here talk to.
Make blood clot show him how they talk, you hear me?
Yo, tell the man say I come for the big fat snake.
Okay, Randy, listen to me. Don't call about my blood clot phone and I rub down your fucking little dead old. Boy, bye.
Afraid of me. You wait till me.
How are the blood clot gonna get this from?
Me don't know how my crib take on my man. I want me ear pull up. Look more.
Enough for tanto de.
Me know if it tick. Tack. Me no see the girl we can twerk like me. Eh? Eh? Answer me people. How my crib take on my nice clean man. Boy say goal in a my thing. Eh? One go him go. One go him go. Remember boy no want leave this. Boy put all gun on my head.
Vagina here, vagina there. Vagina pum pum I will kill you no. Morning, noon and night, right round the clock. If you not walk a pum pum, if you not talk a pum pum, if you not put on no clothes a pum pum. Jesus Christ, man, if you not eat a pum pum.
No, before far, mommy. What I like, why you come out of here? Go on and work left way. What can I eat? What can I eat?
Boy, the boy, boy! They're here! Getting dizzy yet?
The boy, don't even text me on him friend phone and say, and back my babe. Him not even use somebody else's account and text me. The boy don't love me.
Good evening, Disney. This is Dubai, Shibai. I hear say when I keep audition for the Little Mermaid, and trust me, anybody fit the party is me. I was a little fish, my blossom into a mermaid. Think about it. My fans are asking. Look at it. Thank you. And that's all.
How much price in a client then?
Me a pay. Sandy beer. Langsville. How much I get? I don't remember that.
Oh, but you're sure I'm a pen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sandy
So
beer.
if I'm a pen, I price in a Clarendon. Why capital?
Clarendon.
What is going on here? Yeah, man, I'm going to take all this bomb buckler here for repair. So, you're not trouble, you know?